morning to ya. Welcome to Rhonda Said I. I'm Rhonda and I say things. I do. And I'm not Irish, but my mother was born on St. Patrick's Day, so I'm allowed to make a bad Irish accent. And that's exactly what that was. I hope I have not offended any Irish people in the world. It was just for fun. But welcome to my channel. It's so good to see you here. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're wearing green so you don't get pinched. Pinchy, pinchy, pinchy. So, I'm so glad to have you here. I hope we're having a great day. I'm having a great day so far. I can't believe that I've finally got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's so exciting. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'm working towards a goal of 1,300 subscribers, and I'm going to have a huge giveaway. So help me make my goal, and then you can be part of the giveaway because you have to be a subscriber to win. So this is the March 2021. Oh my God, this is so hard to open. March 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Why don't I use scissors? I have magical scissors right here. I'm at a weird angle, but it's all right. It all works out in the end. And I did not get any add-ons, so my bag is empty. Like my soul. Just kidding! I have a great soul. And it's got a really cute bag with little peoples on it. And is there a card? Oh, I forgot to write down how much everything was. I will tally it up at the end and post how much the things were. But let's get in here. And the first thing I have is some brushes from Mote. And they look really nice, and they're pretty in pink, and they look nice and fluffy and soft. I'm going to keep these sealed and use them in a giveaway because I have a lot of brushes right now, and a set like this would be fantastic in a giveaway, maybe even one for my 1,300 subscribers. Then I have the Kosas face oil, and it's in the color 01 tone. And let me check this out. I've been looking forward to it. It's so liquidy. Let me look at the directions. Shake well before every use. Gently blend 3 to 4 drops into skin using fingertips. All right. A featherweight, light to medium coverage foundation and deeply hydrating skin elixir. This is what it looks like on the top. I'm just going to do a couple drops since it's just the back of my hand. And I'm really curious to how the coverage is. It's very slippery in it because it's an oil. But it looks like a pretty good match. I'm sure it dries down. So look at that. It's really... Look at that coverage. That's nice. It covers up all the blue lines. And it's a lot more like a regular foundation coverage-wise than I thought it would be. Because when it was available in BoxyCharm, I did not choose it. So I'm just going to let this dry as we look at other things and see how it is in a few moments. Next up, I have Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. And it's in taupe. And my brows are a little darker than taupe. But it went by my profile, I'm sure. And these are very nice deluxe brow gels. Look at that. That is so nice. I love the sound it makes when it comes out of the tube. Sounds so refreshing. And brow-like. It doesn't sound like a brow, but it's pretty good. And then I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow Highlighter. And I'm into putting highlighters under my foundation. In fact, I haven't been using regular highlighters as much because you see the shine and glimmer that I have on my face. It's from Vanessa Myricks Illuminating Veil liquid highlighter. I put it on under my foundation and it gives me this beautiful glow, and I really am loving it. It looks like that's drying down pretty well. And this is in Perla, which looks to be a very beautiful color. Oh, I put a lot down because a little tiny drop of liquid highlighter goes a long way. Oh, that's beautiful. That'll look great under foundation. Or I could add a little, I could tap some on my cheeks. Why not? It's really great. Do the other side. That works well over the powder and everything. It's very pretty. So that's lovely. You can't be mad at ABH stuff. This is pretty much dry now. It just feels very soft. It's hard to tell if it transfers very easily because my fingertips are covered in highlighter. Let me dry this tips off. I just wiped it off on a cloth. There's a little bit of transfer, but you know, I'm not going to be rubbing my face all in a pillow or anything. Very nice. And then last but not least, from Ofra. Oh, I just ripped the box. What is it with me and boxes? I either break nails or destroy the boxes. I'm just going to destroy the box. It's so easy for me to say. It's hard to destroy. It's like it was glued in or something. And this is a blush Bellini. And it is in, well, that's the name of the color. And this is a very beautiful color, which will look great with the makeup I have on right now. Let's just do a little swatchy-do on top of the foundation. That's very pretty and very natural looking. That's great. I'm always in the mood for a new blush. And that is my bag. So let me grab it again. So we got this great Ofra blush. We got an Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. We got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow Liquid Highlighter. We got the Moda brushes and the Kosas tinted face oil. And this is really beautiful and it looks great on my hand. And that blush just blends out really nicely and looks very natural and soft. So great bag overall. I'll have, like I said, the total bag value down below. This is a $25 a month bag. And I at first was going to be disappointed with this bag, but now that I have it in front of me, this is all really good stuff. So I'm all right with this bag this month. I was looking to be disappointed, but once I got it in front of me, I really liked everything much more than I thought I would. So I hope you have a happy St. Patrick's Day, or the day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.